Hi, I'm Ryan Pettifils, and I'll be your elementary statistics professor. I just wanted to introduce myself and let you know a little bit about the class. You can just call me Ryan. I'm here today because of a teacher I had in high school who noticed that I was very shy. She encouraged me to speak up more, to practice math every day, and to learn math in different ways. I love to teach, whether it's math or computers or building IKEA furniture. I have a lot of patience and skills related to teaching and learning. I like teaching community college because I get to work with students from all different backgrounds, and I get to find ways in which we can learn together and can develop some skills, whether it's in person or, like this class, fully online. What I like teaching about statistics, well, statistics is everywhere you look. Whether you're watching the news, or you are on social media, or you're buying something from a website, you get ads that are directed towards you. And in this class, we're going to look at how statistics are gathered and analyzed and reported. And you're going to be able to do some of that yourself. So we're going to be really hands-on in this class with data and working with statistics. During the semester, we're going to be doing something called data discoveries, which is a really big part of your grade. You're going to be looking at actual data, analyzing it, making graphs, making tables, making pretty reports. And for some of that, you're going to be using a website called StatCrunch, which is included with your textbook. Speaking of your textbook, this is your textbook, Intro Stats by DeVoe. And this semester, I'm very excited actually because every student is going to get a voucher from the bookstore to have the textbook for free. And this will be a digital textbook. It'll be on your computer, not a physical textbook. You don't need to have a physical textbook, but you'll have a digital one. You're going to get something called a My Lab access code, which will let you get on to the Pearson website to access the book. And that's also where all the homework assignments are going to be for our class. It also gives you access to StatCrunch. So other than the course itself, there's nothing you have to pay for this semester. Everything's included. The textbook and all of the other websites are going to be free for you. One goal I have for you this semester is to understand how statistics are gathered. Question what they say on the daily news. For example, if I said 80% of dentists recommend Colgate toothpaste, what does that mean? Google that result, and you will find that there are some issues with it. It is a little bit misleading. Why is that? Go ahead and Google it after this video. Another goal I have for you this semester is to have a greater appreciation about how statistics can change our world. For example, have you been recommended movies to watch, maybe on Netflix? Or have you been recommended products to buy on Amazon? Are those results surprisingly accurate? Maybe those cookies are doing something. So speaking of data, I'm going to need some data from you. I'm going to send you 2 surveys. The first survey is just general questions about you, and we're going to be comparing them with the other students in the class. And in some of our data discoveries, we're actually going to be looking at this data and analyzing it. The other survey is something that I'm doing a project at Ventura College, and it's to see what kind of attitudes students have coming into a math class, and generally how do they like being assessed. Do you like doing more projects? Do you like taking tests? Do you like working in groups? This project is going to help future Ventura College students to kind of see what they like doing in an elementary statistics class. So please take those surveys. I'll send them out with my first day email. They will really help me out. We will also have a post survey at the end of the semester. I am here for you to help you in any way that you need. You can come to my office hours. I will have a couple on Zoom. You can find those in the course content link on Canvas. I am here to help you navigate the math together. So please take a look on Canvas, look through the modules, kind of see how this class is going to work. To get started, go ahead and read the syllabus. Later this week, we are going to have the syllabus quiz due. So go ahead and read the syllabus, introduce yourself in the discussion board, and I hope we can get to know each other this semester.